Hi kids, welcome back. On this episode of Smith Motor Works, we're taking the little Fiero out and about in the winter wonderland that is now central Indiana and checking out something that is the definition of daring to be different. The Wienermobile. If you haven't heard of that, I guess you're living under a rock or you don't go to the grocery store or something like that. That's a promotional vehicle. In case you didn't know, they've been making those different versions of them since the 30s, I believe. Like 9 different versions of it. They keep tweaking it a little bit, making it more relevant to what the product is. But hey, what the heck does that mean? It's not a new thing. As soon as there was cars, somebody tried to make it look like their product and make a promotional vehicle so they could drive around whatever it was they're selling. If you've ever seen Django Unchained, the dentist bounty hunter in there, he's got a kind of a promotional vehicle, got a giant molar on top of his wagon that he hauls around, basically showing what he's doing and what he's selling. They run the gamut, Spam, got a little ham can driving thing on wheels, Zippo lighters, Red Bull most recently made some vehicles like that, but far and away, the Oscar-Mayer Wienermobile is the one that you think of when you think of a promotional vehicle. So, enough of that. Let's go check it out. What do you say?
Dude, you can't eat it.
There it is. Wieners out in the cold. Pretty cool, man. Get in a little closer and check her out. Really surprised they brought it out. Had a winter storm yesterday. I thought they might cancel this, but there she is in all her glory. Pretty good. How you doing?
Great. Welcome to the Wienermobile.
Hey, thanks. You guys drive this thing?
Yeah.
Sure do. All over the country on a coast-to-coast weenie roast.
Yeah, I can smell it. I'm so really surprised you came out today with all this weather.
Yeah, we're here, rain or shine. No
Cool.
worse.
Does it go down the road pretty good, or is it?
What was that?
Does it go down the road pretty good?
Yeah, handles really well.
I was wondering, with a big body like that, I didn't know if it get caught in the wind and kind of pull you around.
Aerodynamic, as we like to say.
Aerodynamic, I love it.
Would you like a photo in front of it? We can take it for you.
Nah, that's okay. I was just going to catch a little bit of it here.
Yeah.
Never seen it in person before. Got the little die-cast model of it.
Here, we can get you a weenie whistle if you like one of those.
Hey, I might do that. I saw there was an ad for, they're trying to recruit drivers for
We
this thing.
are. We are in the process of that right now.
Are they having trouble, or it seem like
Oh, no.
people
there's
jump
never
at that?
trouble.
Yeah, I was going to say, I figured that'd
They
be,
get thousands of applicants every year.
that is awesome. Where's the next stop?
For us, it'll be Columbia, Missouri, but we're in Indianapolis for the rest of the week.
Yeah. Cool.
You can step up to this over step if you want to peek in.
Yeah, I do, actually. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, it's like almost like an airplane hatch or something, right?
Yeah, we got the
Yeah.
low wing door. We call it a Lamborghini.
Hello.
Wow.
Welcome to the
Oh,
Wienermobile.
cool. Got it all embroidered in there. Got the sunroof, pom-poms.
Dude, you can't eat it.
What?
You
No
can't
way.
eat it.
You're here? You try me, man. I'll give it a shot. So, do you deliver him some hot dogs or something, dude?
No, I just saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't miss it, man. It's car stuff.
Yeah.
Gotta dare to be different and find the weirdness in life. Pretty crazy.
Oh, I'd support that.
We started around 86 years old.
1936.
Yeah, I knew there were earlier ones. I didn't know there were that many. Wow.
Yeah, the 52 is the oldest one still in existence. We actually just saw it. It's in Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, I've been up there.
Is that where you
Next time
would
you're there,
drive
check it
past?
out.
Or
I think it's a
you
might be a
bought somewhere?
matchbox or something. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. It's just a little,
The
little.
Hot Wheels.
Is it a Hot Wheels one? Yeah, I couldn't remember who made it, but I try to get those little like promotional cars like that too. Like I got like the Spam truck or something. It's not near as cool as that, I mean,
Have you
it's
seen the monster truck version of the Hot Wheels Wienermobile one? I
no.
wanted it so bad.
Is it really?
My cousin found it at an Aldi and then bought it for me.
Oh, I want it so bad. Like
Is
it
it-
looks so cool.
I mean, did they actually use it in the monster truck stuff, or is it just kind of fantasy?
Never put monster truck
Just in Hot Wheels form.
That's cool. You should. That would
Would
be
I
awesome.
need
And now let's just find a monster truck rally and see if they let us in.
Yeah.
Like, hey,
I think it would be a hit. Well, hey, thanks for talking with me.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Guys,
Thank you.
be safe.
have a good one.
You too. One last pass through here. Yeah, I'd rock that thing. I think the first thing I'd do is go see if you do a burnout and then do some donuts or something with it. Well, how about that? Something definitely daring to be different. If you're out and about and you see it driving through your area, go check it out. They'll feed you, get a little toy version of it, or pick up the Hot Wheel like I got, and enjoy the automotive world as it is. And thanks for watching, but definitely don't forget that homework. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time on the next episode of Smith Motor Works. Later.